Here's some stats about Google, or some facts, so that you can understand how SEO is, get your mind wrapped around it. Organic ads are free, okay? So it's really, really important that we care where we are, because the higher we are up, the more traffic we're going to get. And that traffic is free. So why would we not want to take in a free resource, okay? Um, on top of us being to the top and getting all this awesome free traffic, we gain trust and credibility, because believe it or not, people trust us more if we're at the top of search. If they can see a really well written ad that's very professional, that represents us, they click on it, they go to a really awesome website that reflects the ad, that's only going to build their trust and credibility in us. In our industry, where we're inside of people's homes, it's extremely important to build that trust and credibility. You guys are doing it all day long, so you might as well start with the ad, okay? Also, if you do have SEO, or you say that you care about SEO, going hand in hand with that is that your website is going to update and change. You're going to need to update it and change it, especially if you are ranking low, because that's the only way that you're going to get higher in the ranks. That's really nice, because clients do like to see some new and fresh stuff. It could be very minute. It could be a blog here and there, or a little bit of context changing, or images changing. But just know that if you do have SEO in your life, or you do care about it, it's going to take implementation, and it is something that is going to change your website over time, okay? Focus on user experience is going to be at an all-time high, because that is one of the highest factors that Google cares about, other than keyword relevance, or along with keyword relevance. Of course, Google wants to send people to websites that they know they're going to have a good time on, and that they're going to read and spend time moving around, because those are factors that people are really on a site that they really feel is relevant to what they typed in. Why would I go to a website and spend 5 minutes there if it wasn't what I was looking for? So if you can get clients to stick to your website, you're going to rank higher. Also, with the increase of this excellent content and quality and traffic, you're going to be able to acquire more data with that traffic flow. That again is going to happen over time, so that this is a long-term strategy, but you will be able to increase your clients so that you can gain more traffic and gain data off of them. More data means you can market to them better. You will learn what works and what doesn't work in your A/B testing. That's really, really important. Data is how we change in this industry. So the faster we gain it, or the more we gain, the better off we are in the future. All right.